Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's see how to make healthy suji pizza. It's very easy, so let's check the ingredients. Here we are taking some suji. I'm taking 1 cup of suji and some curd, baking powder, some baking soda, salt to taste. Vegetable I'm using paneer, corn, capsicum, onion, some chicken and mushroom, some cheese and pizza sauce. Pizza sauce is sauce with some seasoning. So let's check the procedure. First we have to take our suji. So you can see we have to grind it. Let's add baking soda, baking powder, and we have to mix it well. So you can see the mixture is very nice. So let's transfer this into a bowl. Add some curd into it. After that we have to mix it and make our dough out of it. So you can see the already dough is made and it's very soft. So now let's marinate our paneer. For that add some chili powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste, some curd, some garam masala, and we have to mix it. So you can see this. Now let's cook our vegetable. So on a pan let's add some oil and we have to cook our vegetable one by one. We don't need to fry it. A light cook is enough. So let's add our capsicum and stir it well. In the same way, let's add our onion and we have to stir it. Don't make it brown. Let's add our mushroom. In the same way we have to add our marinated paneer and cook it. So all the ingredients are cooked. For our base, let's take our dough and separate it into two parts. Now we have to roll this dough gently and make a base out of it. So you can see we are making our base. After making our base, let's make our pizza. For that, on a pan let's grease some oil and on that we have to add our base. Mix some pizza sauce, which I already mentioned, that normal tomato sauce and some seasoning. So we have to spread our sauce. So you can see. After spreading sauce, we can add our cheese. Then let's add our paneer. We can add our vegetables any way we want to. So you can see. Let's add our capsicum. In the same way, we have to add all our ingredients. We can add any vegetable, whatever we want, but make sure that you are not adding mushroom too much, because mushroom leaves water and that will make our pizza very messy and it will be so much of watery. So don't add too much of mushroom. Let's add 1 or 2 mushroom, that is enough. So you can add any vegetable as per your wish. If we want, we can also add some extra cheese which will give you a nice juicy texture. So we can add some extra cheese and some seasoning. And after that we have to close our lid, and it will be cooked in 10 to 15 minutes. It will be ready. So you can see the pizza is already ready. It's a very healthy pizza because I'm not at all using maida here. It is made up of suji and vegetables. So please try this at home. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.